Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to talk to you today about SpyBot Mover, how it works, and so forth. And the SpyBot Mover works off of a trend, and it will take longs at certain times and shorts at certain times based on the trend for the day. And it does pretty good. If you're in a lot of chop, it doesn't do the best. As you can see here today, we're up $1,665 for today, trading 4 contracts. And I've got certain profit targets set up to take it on YM. All those settings I give to you on the website, so whoever leases the bot gets the settings and so forth. So I backtest things quite a bit. I started this bot around, I think, 7 o'clock or so. Let me look here. I'll find out when the first trade. The first trade was at 7:57, so I turned it on probably just a little bit before that. And the red lines you can see are the losers, the green ones are the winners. And you go through here, and it has a few bad trades here and there. The best thing to do is turn this on when you have a trend on it. And a lot of times you can't tell if it's going to be trending up or down. It's just going to be basing across the bottom. So you're going to have some losers in there. But the ultimate goal is to be a winner at the end of the day. As you can see, the realized is $1,665 today. That's the total profit. And I'm going to show you, I've got different profit targets that it hits. So on this one, we had 1 profit target there, number 2, number 3, and then the 4th I use as a runner. And you can see here, it actually took 2 here, and then it took 2 on the reversal. And it did not take a trade here because of the values that I have set up in the settings of it. And it won't take a trade based on this part. But that's fine. We didn't get the short there, but we do get a lot of good trades. Now on this one, it took a short and it came back up. It stopped out all 4 of them, but then we picked up another short here, and we picked up all 4 targets. We picked up a short here, picked up all 4 targets. We lost all 4 right here on the stop. Then we picked up 4 here. Now, if you are trading this manually, in other words, you're watching it, and you can always pause this bot up here. So if you click that, it won't let it enter another trade. Now, if it's in a trade, it'll finish that trade out. But if you want out of that trade, you click close all, and then it will close out that trade for you. You can also make it to where it will take longs only or shorts only. So if I wanted to take longs only, I'd click short off, and it wouldn't enter any more shorts. Or if I come up here, click long off, it won't take any longs. Now I leave mine on because I've got settings built into the bot that knows when it should be taking longs and shorts. As you can see, it took all 4 there, took all 4 here. We lost 2 there, we picked up 2 here, and we lost 4 there. Again, this is chop. This is where I say just turn it off. When you come down and it starts doing this, just pause the bot. And then when you see this going to take off again, then enter it. Or you can leave it on. You can suffer some of the consequences and maybe do okay. Right now we just entered another, what do we enter here? Let's see here. Up here. It's already exited it out. So it actually made money here, but it stopped out there. But you can see we picked up a good short here, a good short there, a good short there. It does very well. You're going to have losing trades though. The ultimate goal is to be green at the end of the day. Now when you see that it's kind of doing what it's doing now, and it's if you've made enough money like this trend right here, then we started going sideways and we dropped again. This one right here may not go ahead and come back up. It may go ahead and sell off some more. But again, it depends on what you want to make per day. In the settings, you can change this to where once you hit a target of, say you want to make $1,000 a day, you can change that so as soon as it exits the trade, if it's $1,000 or more, it will stop the bot. So if you're just wanting to make 500 a day or 1,000 a day or whichever, right there it just entered another short, and you can watch it play out right now. This is live, and very well may go ahead and come back up. Now you can see that it's got a trail stop on it as well. So as this comes down, and we've already taken first target, our stop moved down with it. I've back tested these settings, and the settings on it work pretty good. I use different ones for different instruments, but I find that the mover works really well on the 100 tick YM. Does very well. So I'm very pleased with how it works there. We also have trying to find another one here for you. I run several bots at a time, and I'm testing this one. It's on the mover. Let's see, we're going to watch it. So we got our first target. We can come down again. You can come up here and click close all and take all the profit. If you don't think it's going to keep going down, do it. Or you can go ahead and grab this stop and you can move it down here where you want it. So there it just moved on its own. Now if you want, you can go ahead and bring this stop down to there. You're in control of what you want to do. If you think the target should be down here, you can grab and hold this target and click on it and then drag it down here and put it where you want. So right there we're taking two targets, getting ready to take the third. Now our runner. So our runner is going to be based off of this stop. So right now we're up $17.85 realized plus our runner. Our runner is up $95 right now, 100. Again, you can always close this out. If you don't think it's going to go lower, close it out. Your runner is extra money. So I usually just allow my runner to keep going unless I see a major resistance level or support, either one. And I just want to go ahead and take the profit and be done with it, and I'm fine. So right now we probably going to get stopped out. There we go. So now we're up 18.20. Now let's say you're fine with that. You can click pause. You click pause, you're done. No more. It won't trade anymore. So I'm going to let it trade. We'll probably come up. It may go ahead and play around here a little bit and then short off to the next one. Now these gold areas are zones that I have drawn. Now of course we are out of zones. I have to draw some more. But that allows me to know where the buyers and sellers are. So that's what that's about. But if you come back to this right here, you can see there's a lot of trades through there. But we're up $1,820. So if we go back and look at the trades, which I'm not sure how many there are. Let's see if I do this right here. Real time. Okay, so right here is our real time. This is what has actually traded. You can see that's 18.20 there. It's 18.20 here. This is live trading. This is not historical or none of that. It's live trading. Our profit factor is a 216, which is very, very good. And our number of trades is 56. We've been 76% profitable. Very good. And we've had a total of 43 winning trades, 12 losing trades, 1 break-even trade. So these are the statistics on this. We've had more money made on shorts than we have on longs. So there's $365 in longs, $455 in shorts. Our max drawdown is $505 total for all trades. But you're looking at $230 on the long trade, $505 on the short trade. So the $505 was when all four stopped out on us at the max. So our max drawdown was $505. We made $1,820. Very good numbers. I mean, you can pause this, look at this. Very good. If we look at our analysis, of course that's a daily. It's always going to be good. Hour of the day. Let's see here. Do half hour. So you can see that from 9 o'clock on, has been good. There was a couple. We started off kind of rocky in the beginning, but during the day it just kept on going. $650 on the 10:30, 270 on the 10, 855 on 9:30 opening bell, and then we have 195 before the bell. So you can see there, we were down 8 a.m. We're down $80 total, $70, and then we just kept on going up. Our gross profit, 1305 on the 9:30. So opening bell, we made the most money during that time frame.